Welcome to today's video, guys. Today is gonna be no other way to describe it except bittersweet for me. And that's because we spent so much time building the forged Miata, and it was for a purpose, and it was to give it away to one of you guys. And we have the winners over here. I'm gonna introduce them to you. I'm so excited, but I'm also kind of emotional. I'm sure you can understand. Anyways, so this is David, and this is Elijah. So guys, tell me, how did you come about winning the Miata?
You know, I followed your channel for quite some time.
Yep.
Like watching you build the S15 and Yashio factory.
Sick.
With Okatan.
Yep.
And I didn't realize you came to America, so and you were like right by us. Like we live literally an hour down in Miami, and I wanted to enter your challenge.
So he came to me, wanted to enter the challenge, and you know, I don't know anything about Japanese cars. Don't hate me in the comments. I'm more of a German car guy, been raised that way. So we entered the competition thinking, you know, get him off my back and stop bothering me about buying merchandise. So
yep.
That's how it came about, and then we got the call and couldn't believe it. It was unbelievable.
I think my favorite part about this story is we were talking previously, David, but David's literally only been into European cars. So this is your first kind of Japanese car experience, I guess?
That's right.
This is gonna blow your socks off. I hope you're ready for this.
Well, I'm excited.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Elijah, you're getting your license next year, so you'll be driving next year. But until then, Dad's gonna enjoy the car.
That's
hopefully
right.
Not break too many transmissions, but
how else is he going to learn how to fix it?
That's right. I think that's great. That's perfect. And I'm sure there'll be some track days in there. You guys were talking about that you maybe want to go to like OSW, do some learning drift days and stuff, which I think is perfect. But yeah, I think you guys want to go for a ride?
Absolutely.
You want to experience this thing?
Absolutely.
All right, let's go. Seatbelts on?
Yep.
We don't want Mum getting upset. All right, we all good. So we're just going to cruise around a little bit, let it warm up. But we'll scope the place out, find a nice safe place to have some fun, okay?
Awesome.
Are you excited?
Very. I've been waiting for this.
I think it's so cool that you wanted your dad to experience some Japanese cars and stuff, so you egged him in to get this. Well, to enter the comp.
Yeah, I've been into JDM for a while.
You must feel like almost like a foreigner then in your family if they're all into like European cars.
Mm-hmm.
Like the odd one out.
Yeah. They don't know what I'm talking about, like when I show them like Instagram posts or anything.
Do they know what a Skyline is?
They don't know.
No, you need to educate them.
Like my dad knows. I've been talking to him like about it for like months.
That's cool then. All right, you ready? Have some fun?
Let's do it.
Crazy, right?
Yeah.
You like that? Little crackle tune?
Saw some flames on the other last dyno you did?
Yep. Yeah, she spits a few flames on decel. So the way me and Jack set it up is like on de-acceleration. So if you downshift, so if you go from like third to second to slow down, it'll make some like crackle pops and stuff like that. Just kind of like, it's not like, it doesn't benefit anything, it's just cool.
It's awesome, that flames.
Alright, so it's first, second, third. And it just keeps pulling. Pretty crazy, right?
Crazy.
Do the videos do it justice?
No, not at all.
Yeah, man. Next year's gonna be so good for you when you get your license.
Can't wait.
The best thing that ever happened to me in my life was getting my driver's license. So what do you think?
Man, no words.
No words? Are you scared?
No.
Not scared at all?
No, I'm freaked out.
You're freaked out?
So fast.
Let's go grab your dad.
Alright.
What's like the fastest car you've been in?
Been in probably an older 911 Turbo.
911 Turbo?
Yeah, maybe like a 1990, late 90s.
Okay. So you've never really been like into the straight four, like, or straight 6-cylinder turbo cars or anything like that from Japan?
No. No JDM? What's it called?
Yeah, JDM cars.
I mean, look, Fast and the Furious. Like, I love the movies.
Yeah.
We watch it, and I like the RX-7. I think it looks beautiful.
Yeah, the RX-7 is a really nice car.
But most of the ones I see don't look like the ones from the show, obviously. But how fast are they is the question. So
that's true. Like, I feel like every time on camera, it never ever does it justice, you know? Alrighty, you ready?
I'm ready.
You got something to hold on to?
Do I? I'm good.
Right.
It's like your little racetrack around here now.
A little bit. Give us your hat, you okay?
That's awesome!
Right? Works alright.
This is great! That's a taste of drifting right there.
Just a little.
I didn't realize.
I didn't want to really like get heavily into it, but yeah.
I think I did that once on the track by accident.
Yeah.
Scared the, you know what, out of it. You do that on purpose, that's crazy.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Alright, so first. And as you can see, brakes, well and truly good.
Good job, good job. Mom will like that.
Mum will definitely like that.
Wow, that is some violent acceleration, man.
Right?
That is great. Holy cow. This thing is an animal.
It's so much fun.
Woo. Really get your heart going.
It really does.
Oh man. People are gonna come up to the Miata and be like, what's that old Miata? I'm just gonna go.
It's so crazy. Like, just, yeah. It's so easy to control too. Like, you take this to a skid pen day, a track day, and just really get the hang of the car and how it reacts, and you learn how to counter steer. This thing is so gripped up, especially if you keep running the same tire combos. These aren't expensive tires. You know, they last a very long time for what what you pay for them. Like, this thing will just always feel consistent and really good.
I hear a noise.
Oh, that's the lock diff.
Okay, that's normal.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
Yeah, that was awesome.
So did you guys have fun? Took you out for a little bit of a rip in Mexico?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Amazing. What are your thoughts, Dad? Are you scared when he gets to be able to drive this?
Yes.
We're gonna turn the boost down though before you go, okay?
Absolutely.
All right. But yeah, you must be mind blown. Like, I can't imagine what this feels like. I've never won anything in my life, and just trying to imagine myself in your shoes right now must be pretty mind blowing, especially as a parent when you got a kid who's begging you to buy some merch and all that kind of stuff.
I'm proud, I'm proud.
You're proud?
We won a car, I can't believe it. And not only any car, but a special edition, beautiful Miata.
It really is. These guys got me to sign it here, so I felt pretty honored to do that for you guys.
Yes.
But I think it's time we handed these over to you guys. Enjoy that. No, the dad's holding those for now. But yeah, I think we're gonna take you guys for a ride in the Miata, let you experience that as well.
Amazing.
Oh man, it's so bittersweet. Be kind to her, all right? All right,
so much.
no worries guys. I couldn't let Elijah go without taking for a little bit of fun in the Miata. How do you say it, Elijah?
Miata.
No. From the bellows, like from deep down, Miata.
Miata.
All right, we'll take that. Let's jump in. See you later, guys. Have a safe trip home.
Love you, Sammy.
Oh man, this feels so weird, but so good. Later. Is that tire up? Oh man. Oh, the little D-cell pops. Well, that's my first giveaway car gone. Definitely feels a little bit weird heading over the keys and saying goodbye to that thing, but it's off to a good place. I'm sure Elijah's gonna enjoy it when he gets his license, and his dad's gonna love it. I can't wait to see some like Instagram posts and stuff like them of them guys taking it out to the track in a skid pan and learning how to drift and all that kind of stuff. And they've already been talking about plans of swapping in a ZF transmission and getting some more power and stuff out of it. So I think that's exciting. So there we go, kind of a close on this chapter of the fully forged Miata build. It has definitely been the most insane project that I've ever done, and I really hope that you've enjoyed this series. But I really want to just take a moment to thank each and every one of you, because the only way that I was able to do this was because of you. And I want to make sure that I just take the moment to thank each and every one of you for this whole giveaway process and everything, and the car that we built, being able to give it away to one of you lucky guys, and just being able to produce something that I know that is something that I would build for myself, so then I can hand it over to, you know, Elijah, the winner, and everything, and you get to experience the very thing that I built, that I would once again drive for myself. I'm struggling with words right now because it's so hard to try and get everything out. And obviously I know with the whole giveaway thing right now, I know no one's gotten their merch yet. That's all getting resolved. It's purely because of the pandemic. I know there's been some confusion, people thinking it's like we can't ship anything till I go back. That's not true. My wife and friends and stuff and people will be shipping the orders the moment we're allowed to. It's because Japan Post, JP Post, is banned all international shipping out of Japan since the whole pandemic started. So that's just stopped us from being able to do anything. So I've been open and transparent with that in all my live streams. I've been explaining that. I've even been commenting and posting that in other videos where we do updates at the end. So I will post the link again in the comment section and pin it. And that's the link to the updates in English from JP Post. So if you guys are wondering when you're going to get your merch, you can click on that link and see updates. And a very important update this week was actually that JP Post started allowing documents only to be shipped internationally. So we're literally right there. Probably the next decision they make will be they'll be allowing us to send packages of items themselves, not just documents. So things are looking good there. Hopefully very soon you guys will all get your merch, and I can't wait to see all of you tagging me on Instagram with your shirts and stickers and stuff like that. It's honestly been killing me that you guys haven't been able to get it yet, and I know there's a lot of memes out there with some other YouTubers and things like that that have done that, and you know, but that was not my intention when we did this. I did take a risk knowing that the pandemic and stuff was happening, but I had no idea that JP Post was going to ban international shipping. I don't think anyone could have predicted that. So anyways, that aside, once again, I do want to say thank you to each and every one of you that purchased something for the giveaway. Without you buying something, I would not have been able to build that car. And once again, I didn't do this for a profit. I'm honestly probably just making even, and I just wanted to build a sick car to share with one of you lucky guys. And honestly, I couldn't be more happier with who it is going to. I think Elijah and his dad David are going to do some really cool things. He just emailed me letting me know that they had a safe trip home and that they had so much fun driving it, and just like hearing things like, you know, this is going to be a father-son moment that we'll remember for the rest of our lives. Like, that just hits home for me because I spent a lot of good times and memories with my dad, and I can just think of like how incredible it would have been to experience and have this same thing happen for me and my dad at Elijah's age. And I just think that's awesome, and I feel so humbled to be able to create that moment for them that is just going to mean something so special to them. So anyways, that aside guys, I know I'm ranting on a little bit, but I really wanted to take this moment of the video to just once again thank each and every one of you. So smash that like button, write us a comment, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Peace out. Ciao, Mata.